A Ukrainian soldier signals to a Russian drone, indicating that he does not wish to engage in combat. The reconnaissance drone monitors the situation, recording all movements in the area. This footage highlights the use of modern UAVs for observation and situational awareness on the battlefield. A Ukrainian armed forces hideout was discovered in the Dim metro area. According to Russian sources, enemy forces had planned an ambush targeting Russian soldiers, but their plans were quickly disrupted. Russian fiber-optic drones were immediately deployed to monitor the area. The footage shows how modern UAV technology is used for real-time surveillance, tracking enemy movements, and maintaining situational awareness on the battlefield. These operations highlight the role of intelligence and advanced reconnaissance in preventing potential threats before they can develop. Russian FPV drone operators were able to track all enemy infantry in this operation. Within a short time, scattered units were detected, and separate FPV drones were assigned to monitor each one. With modern UAV technology, hiding or escaping from Russian drones has become extremely difficult, demonstrating the effectiveness of real-time aerial reconnaissance on the battlefield. One of the two Ukrainian soldiers running down the street was closely tracked. In Mirovoy, Sumy region, enemy forces had set up a UAV control station in a former residential building. These drones were used by the Northern Territorial Defense Unit to monitor key positions and enemy activity in the area. Russian forces disabled a German-made Marder 1A3 infantry fighting vehicle using fiber-optic FPV drones. The footage demonstrates how modern UAV technology is used to engage and monitor armored vehicles from a safe distance. According to Russian forces in Donetsk, Dimitrov units successfully intercepted Ukrainian armed forces saboteurs attempting to bypass Russian positions. This is not the first time enemy forces have tried to approach and were caught in crossfire. Ukrainian infantry also attempted to target Russian drones but were largely unsuccessful. During a midnight operation, a Ukrainian armored vehicle struck a Russian deployed mine. The footage highlights the challenges faced by both sides and the role of modern reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision operations in controlling key areas on the battlefield. During a routine free-flight operation, an FPV drone scans a quiet stretch of road from above, carefully observing the surroundings. Moments later, it detects a lone individual moving along the Thariki, standing out against the otherwise empty landscape. The drone quickly adjusts its direction, closing the distance to gain a clearer view of the situation. As the observation continues, new movement appears within the frame. Multiple individuals begin to emerge, along with a pickup truck traveling along the same route. The drone operators respond instantly, maintaining steady visual tracking while monitoring the developing activity in real time. With each passing second, the scene becomes more complex, demonstrating how rapidly conditions can change during aerial surveillance missions. The drone smoothly follows the Lharakeh, keeping all visible elements within its field of view without interruption. This extended sequence highlights the effectiveness of modern FPV systems, combining speed, flexibility, and situational awareness to monitor multiple points of interest at once. Footage from the Zaporizhzhia front was captured by Russian drone operators. Shelters and trenches were monitored one after another in quick succession. Infantry units moved from one position to another, and each shelter was closely observed. All trenches in the area were documented. These are archival drone recordings. pickup truck moves at high speed along an open route, navigating through a tense environment. In the distance, an FPV drone is spotted approaching, rapidly closing in on the moving vehicle. Within seconds, a soldier jumps out, attempting to distance himself from the Khataran. At that critical moment, the drone changes direction, shifting its focus toward the individual rather than the vehicle. A vehicle carrying 4 soldiers moves along a frontline route, navigating through a high-risk area. Moments later, an FPV drone locks onto the moving target, tracking it with precision from above. Within seconds, the drone reaches the vehicle, resulting in a sudden impact that brings the movement to a halt. The scene unfolds rapidly, leaving little time for reaction. FPV drone operators from the center group have been actively engaging Ukrainian forces in Gishino, along the Krasnoarmysk direction. The footage shows drones conducting continuous reconnaissance and precision monitoring of enemy movements. These operations disrupt the enemy's ability to maneuver freely, while providing real-time intelligence to Russian units on the ground. The use of FPV drones highlights the increasing role of aerial technology in modern warfare, allowing forces to observe, track, and influence the battlefield from a safe distance. A Russian FPV drone conducted reconnaissance along the front line and reached Ukrainian trenches. During the operation, it detected 2 soldiers in the area. In the footage, one of the enemy soldiers was spotted and closely monitored by the drone, showing how modern UAVs are used for real-time battlefield observation. In a quiet area, an FPV drone remains stationary, positioned carefully on the rooftop of a house. From this concealed vantage point, it passively observes the surroundings, waiting for any movement. After some time, activity appears nearby as individuals enter the area. Within seconds, the drone powers up, its propellers spinning to life as it lifts off from its screw-to position. It quickly adjusts direction, moving toward the newly detected movement while operators guide it in real time. The sudden transition from stillness to rapid action highlights a different tactical use of FPV systems. This moment demonstrates how patience, positioning, and timing can significantly enhance the effectiveness of modern drone operations. Just yesterday, some sources were citing Ukrainian reports claiming that Russian forces suffered their highest daily losses, though no evidence was provided. Now, a video has emerged from the Russian side showing the ongoing situation on the battlefield. The footage highlights the activities of Russian units, the use of drones for reconnaissance, and the monitoring of enemy movements in real time. It demonstrates how modern UAV technology provides precise observation and control over operations, making it increasingly difficult for opposing forces to maneuver without being detected. This video offers a clear perspective on the battlefield dynamics and the role of advanced surveillance in maintaining situational awareness. Drone operators from Group East disrupted the movement of small units and the delivery of supplies to Ukrainian frontline positions in the Zaporizhia region. FPV drone crews from Group West struck key positions in Kharkiv region, targeting a D-30 artillery gun, an infantry fighting vehicle, communication antennas, and enemy personnel. Malnia-2 strike UAVs from Group South eliminated a firing position and 2 temporary deployment points near Konstantinovka. UAV crews from Group Center hit Starlink stations and a drone control point in the Krasnoarmysk direction, while also targeting enemy personnel in the Dobropoli area. This footage highlights the precision and coordination of modern UAV operations, showing how drones are used to monitor enemy movements and neutralize key positions across multiple sectors.